Welcome. In today's video, we will be going over what product tags are and how to add them to our products using AdLister. Product tags allow us to tag products which belong to a certain promotion, seasonal sales, and so on. Once we have a tag assigned to a product, we can then use the interface to easily filter for those products. When logged into our AdLister, in order to have product tags created, we will have to go to Products and Product Tags. As we can see on this test AdLister store, we already have a bunch of tags created. We can create tags by selecting the root. We give the tag a name, and we assign it to the root. And as we can see, the tag is created. We can also create a hierarchy of tags, meaning we can create a child tag for the previously created tag. By selecting the tag, we give the child tag a name, and we assign it to the previous tag. We can also delete tags like so. Last but not least, we have the option of importing, exporting our tags, and also a small help section explaining how this works. When we have our tags created, then we can start applying them to our products. We will go to our products page, select the product we want to apply the tag to, like so. Then we go to the product actions, and in the drop-down, we select Assign Remove Tags. A pop-up window will appear where we can select through all available tags, and we can see their hierarchy as well. When we have the tag we want selected, all we do is click Assign Tag. Another pop-up will appear with the action being processed, and once the page refreshes, we can see that the product now has a tag associated with it. Having the tag removed was as easy as adding it. We would just select the item again, go to Assign Remove Tags, select the tag we added, and click Remove Selected Tag. We also have the option of removing all tags. That about covers how to create and apply tags to our products. I hope the video was useful in explaining how to create and apply tags to our products. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the link below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.